Oh my gosh, I'm here in Cali in the midst of all the fires going on, and look at my handsome baby.
Singer and actress Halle Bailey gives an update on how her and her son, baby Halo, are doing in the midst of the California wildfires.
Hey guys, I just wanted to come on here and wish everybody love. Oh my gosh, I'm here in Cali in the midst of all the fires going on, and it's insane, you guys. Like, it's crazy. And there's so much like devastation and loss. And I'm just praying for everybody who is out here. And, you know, we are staying safe. We're kind of out of the area. Yeah, it's near us, but it's not, you know, that close to us, which is good. But I haven't been on Snap in a few days because I've just been with Halo and, like, I don't know, I've been in a state of like, what is happening? Like, this is really happening, is crazy. So I just wanted to come on here and wish everybody in Cali with me a wonderful, like, loving, prayerful night and rest of the few nights, in hopes that these wildfires will be done soon. It's very, very soon. I love you guys very much. Look at my handsome baby. Your hair looks so nice, doesn't it? Yes. You like it? Yeah.
Halle and baby Halo went on to hop on the plane to travel to Orlando, Florida, and that's where they are now, helping baby Halo's cousin Woowop celebrate his birthday.
One time for the birthday boy, 2 times for the birthday boy, 3 times for the birthday boy.
Goddess Vision TV, celebrating feminine energy. Thanks for watching.